Do you wish to find online money-making opportunities? Give up the search. Hey, what's up? Welcome back to Cash Collect. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most searched topics on the internet, and we're going to make it even better because we're going to give you a list of the top 8 apps that pay you daily. That's right, you heard it correctly, daily. These apps are perfect for anyone who wants to earn some extra cash in their free time or for those who want to make a full-time income from home. So, without further ado, let's dive into the top 8 apps that pay you daily. Number 1. Miles app. Commutes on the bus or the daily stroll to the supermarket are examples of ritualized, repetitive behaviors. With the Miles app, you will be able to turn those activities into real income. Just by moving about, you can earn real money with miles, and signing up takes less than a minute. The software may be installed on a mobile device, a user's location services, enabled and set to always, and then the user can completely forget the app is even on their phone. And what do you think? Earning potential increases in proportion to mileage driven. Of course, utilizing this software isn't going to make you rich, but it is a form of passive income in that you earn money while doing nothing. You may dramatically increase your revenue by using this app and a few others that you will learn about in this video. And hey, if you were looking for a motivation to get out there and hit the pavement for some jogs, shed some pounds, and earn some cash, you found it. Number 2. Peer-to-profit. The opportunity to earn money while fulfilling a video watching compulsion is the stuff of internet legend at this point. Indeed enough, that's what will happen with peer-to-profit. I know what you're thinking. They're going to pay me simply to have the software loaded. That seems sort of fishy. Yet, the program Peer-to-Profit will pay you just to have it installed on your phone or computer. In what way is that so? The explanation for this is simple. They are selling the bandwidth you aren't utilizing to marketers, internet marketing firms, and agencies, and all they're doing is giving you a little slice of the pie. Similar to how YouTube handles advertising revenue, the platform keeps a share before paying creators. Moreover, many businesses are willing to shell out cash for this data, since it can be directly used to increase their bottom line. They are able to study rival firms, verify advertising claims, and get useful market intelligence from the data they collect. It's completely legit and has nothing to do with your data, and it's similar to what Mark Zuckerberg does every day. This is a joke, okay? The bottom line is that you can make money using apps from firms like Peer-to-Profit, and the more devices you have the app installed on, the more money you will make. And yes, I know that the app itself won't make you rich. But guess what? 2 applications are actively bringing in money for you. Number 3. Observa. To begin generating serious money, download this app right now. With Observa, all you have to do is download your app, accept several gigabytes, and then go to stores like Walmart and Target and fill up your camera's memory card with images of things. As you may imagine, these retailers, petrol stations, and supermarkets charge a premium to have certain brands on their shelves. Companies pay people like you to go into stores and take photos of product displays to ensure that the items are being exhibited accurately. And if you're already doing your grocery shopping at a supermarket near your home, you can simply accept one of these assignments, make a quick trip there, snap a few photos, and earn a handsome sum. Depending on the specifics of the assignment, you can earn anywhere from $3 to $25. Most of these jobs will take between 20 and 30 minutes to finish. In addition, all that's required to begin using this app is to download it to your mobile device, sign up for a free account, and begin. Number 4. Social Good. How would you want a whopping 100% of your investment returned in crypto? The thought has crossed your mind, but I don't even use crypto. Good news, you won't have to. I'm sorry to break it to you. To reward yourself who make everyday purchases at local businesses, Social Good will provide cryptocurrency rebates. On the other hand, if you use their app to make purchases at physical locations like Walmart or Best Buy, you'll get 1 SG point for every dollar you spend. If you do your monthly grocery shopping at Walmart and spend $500, you will get 500 SG points, which can be redeemed for Bitcoin using their mobile app. Another 15% interest will be added to your crypto holdings if you choose to stake them in the app. But if you don't want to gamble with them, you can always trade them in for Bitcoin or Cash App, two of the most popular digital currencies. Number 5. 1Q. When you conduct a survey using the 1Q app, you will now be paid anywhere from 25 cents to $3 instantaneously. And I do mean instantly. In addition, it's a breeze to begin going. You can get paid instantly for each survey you complete. So why wait? Just download the app to your phone right this second and get started answering some quick questions. Even if the total amount you earn from a survey is only 25 cents, you will receive that amount the very same day. This is, in my opinion, one of the app's nicest features, and you may have observed that there is no minimum withdrawal amount. They often just ask 1 to 4 basic questions on their questionnaires. Number 6. Amazon Shopper Panel. This one, though, will hand you free cash to do something you already enjoy doing: making purchases. To clarify, I suggest downloading an app on your mobile device called Amazon Shopper Panel and then photographing your receipts after making any purchases from the Amazon.com store. Following that, all you have to do is do the survey they provide. Turn on ad sharing on your phone and they'll offer you $10 to use at Amazon.com for every 10 receipts you submit to the app. Even while it won't make you rich, it will supplement the other applications on our list and reward you for doing something you're currently doing. Number 7. Intercash. Surveys, Intercash giveaways, and polls are next on the list, and they all pay out in cold, hard cash. You may earn anywhere from 50 cents to $6 for each survey you fill out with this app, and it has a 5-star rating in every app store. And filling out any of these surveys won't take you long at all. Several of these polls will just take a few minutes of your time. Number 8. Moby. You are probably aware of the old adage that warns that a daily coffee habit is not a surefire path to financial success. Nevertheless, I believe this problem is now obsolete thanks to a new software called Moby. In exchange for your honest opinions about the stores and eateries you frequently go, Moby will really pay you. Simply visit a business like Starbucks on a regular basis, and after each visit, you will receive a survey through email. After completing the survey, you will be compensated for your time. The surveys you take part in with this app pay anything from $5 to $10 each, and they seldom take more than 10 minutes to finish. We hope you enjoyed the video. But now that it's over, what did you think? Leave your comments down below and don't forget to hit that like button. Also, click subscribe if you enjoyed the video and want to see more from us in the future. By the way, we also have a video on how to earn $995 per day just by downloading free applications. So if you're interested in doing that, click the tab presented on your screens. Thank you for taking the time to watch this.